Here at TENGDI, every pipe mill project bears customers' trust and our commitment to quality. Today, we share our latest project. Our 25 to 76mm welded pipe production line has finished installation and commissioning and officially entered stable production. According to the customer's actual production demands, TENGDI provides a complete customized welded pipe production solution, from equipment design and precision manufacturing to on-site installation and commissioning. We deliver full one-stop service, designed for multi-specification, high efficiency, and stable mass production. This line meets diverse steel pipe manufacturing needs. Production specifications: round pipe 25 to 76, wall thickness 0.8 to 3.5 amps. It also supports square and rectangular pipes from 25-25mm to 60-60mm. Wall thickness 0.8 to 3.0 amp. Flexible multifunction production helps customers expand product categories and improve market competitiveness. With professional commissioning by the TENGDI team, trial production was fully successful. The equipment runs stably, with qualified final products. From strip feeding, forming and welding to finished output, every process is precisely controlled to ensure stable operation and consistent quality. A high-quality pipe mill is not only production equipment, but also a core investment for capacity upgrading and future development. Customer success is our success. TENGDI Machinery, your reliable pipe mill partner.